Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now, in the last video, we looked at the keyboard and the most common layout, which is the QWERTY keyboard, and we also looked at the parts of a keyboard. Now, for this video, the focus will be on keyboarding techniques. So, let's dive into the video. Now, we want to begin looking at keyboard posture. Now, posture is the position or way in which you place your body while using the computer keyboard. The importance of proper posture and ergonomics. Now, upright posture is very important when sitting around a computer. You want to ensure that you are sitting straight and avoid slouching to prevent back pain. You also want to ensure that you're using an ergonomic keyboard and that supports your natural hand position. And this helps to reduce strain. Screen height is also important when sitting around your computer and you want to adjust your monitor height, and you must ensure that it is at your eye level to minimize neck strain. Now let us look at this image here that depicts a proper keyboarding technique. As you can see, you need to sit up straight. Your feet must be flat-footed. So you want to ensure that your feet are flat-footed. Your body must be centered on the letters G and H. Right? So you look at your keyboard, look to see where G and H is, and your body must be centered uh, directly where G and H is. Your elbows must be bent, as you can see here. Your elbows must be bent at the side. Your fingers should be curved as if you are playing the piano. So as you can see here, the fingers are curved and resting on the home key. And we know that the home key are the keys that constitute your letters, right? So all of your letters on your keyboard constitute the home keys. Your thumbs must be resting on the space bar. So both thumbs must be resting on the space bar. And your eyes must be on your monitor. So as you can see here, his eyes is in line with the monitor. He's sitting upright, his feet is flat-footed, and his hands are positioned on the keyboard. Both hands, that is, are positioned on the keyboard. Now, there are correct keyboarding techniques. Now, what is technique? Technique is the form the typist uses when operating the keyboard. It refers to where the typist positions his or her fingers on the keyboard and the way the workstation is arranged. Like I said before, your feet must be flat on the floor. You should sit upright. Your shoulders and neck relaxed and your back supported by an ergonomic chair, like this example on your left. You want to press the required key gently with the tip of the appropriate fingers. Your eyes must be on your copy. You should use a copy holder to support your document. Your fingers should be curved on the home keys, that is A, S, D, F, J, K, L. Proofread carefully after you have finished to identify errors, and if there are errors, you need to correct them all. Understanding the home row keys and finger placement. Now the home row key, like I mentioned before, is constitute of your letters, the A, S, D, F, J, K, L, right? And this is the starting point for every keystroke. This is where you're going to start from once you begin typing. As it relates to your finger assignment, each finger has assigned keys, and we need to ensure that we learn the specific key for each feature. Now, at all times, you want to ensure that you return to the home row. Always return fingers to the home row after each key press, and this builds the memory of your muscle. This builds your muscle memory. If we look at the graphics here, um, they are different keys that are assigned to each finger on both hands. So your pinky finger on your left hand is for the letter A, your your wedding finger is for the letter S, D is, which is your middle finger, is for letter D, and your index finger is for F, and your thumb is going to be on the space bar. On your right hand, your thumb again is going to be on the space bar. Your index finger is going to be on the letter J right here, your middle finger on K, your wedding finger on L, and your pinky finger out here will reach to any additional keys that are located to the left. Now, touch typing techniques. What are the drills and exercises that you can employ to improve your accuracy? You can focus on precision over speed. It is important to be precise, and you need to repeat practice for perfection. They are online exercises, and you can use typing website to provide structured lessons for touch typing. There's also customized practice. You can practice frequently misspelled words. This helps improve problems. Now, developing speed rhythm. Tips for increasing words per minute. How can you increase your words per minute? You need to be consistent. Regular practice is key. Daily short sessions yield better results. Rhythmic typing is also important. This helps you to maintain a steady pace and avoid bursts of speed followed by pauses. Use all fingers. That's important. Don't rely on just a few fingers. Distribute the workload evenly. They are common keyboarding errors that we will make, and there are ways to avoid them. Now, one of the common one is the typo errors. You need to slow down and double check for errors. The capitalization is important. We need to practice using the shift key and the proper finger placement. That's very crucial. Punctuation marks is also important. We need to learn the location of the symbols on the keyboard and regular drills to improve proficiency. Now, the 21st century learner is exposed to a number of cutting-edge softwares that can help you to improve your typing skills, and these are just some of the typing softwares that the learner can use. There's a typing club, there is typing.com, tbr.com, and these are all out there for our usage. I hope that you find this video important.